You're gonna love the 2023 Cadillac Escalade ESV. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cadillac Escalade, the iconic full-size SUV that exceeds all expectations for power, passenger comfort, and craftsmanship. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, front massage seats, head-up display, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, sun, moon roof, hands-free liftgate, navigation system. Some opportunities are simply too good to pass up. Driving the Escalade is one of them.